Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. So for today, you guys are probably looking at this title and you're thinking, what the heck is she talking about? But I'm going to get into that in just a second. I do have a couple other announcements that are going to come later on in the video, so please stay tuned for those. And for the first thing I want to tell you guys is I am so excited to be sharing this with you guys. This is an idea I came up with about a few months ago, and I have all my ideas saved in my phone under my notes section, and I probably have 150 ideas, and this is probably the one that I'm the most excited about. I'm going to create an entire series solely based around the education that I received in school. I know that a lot of you guys cannot afford to go to an esthetician school or to a cosmetology school. In Chicago, when I was looking, cosmetology school was around $24,000 to $25,000 if I wanted to go to a good one. I mean, it's very expensive, and I understand that people can't afford that. I could barely afford what I did. I got grants and, scholarships for my schooling when I went to aesthetic school, and I did get loans as well. I'm still paying back my loans. So this is just my way of giving back what I learned. And for this series, I will be posting every single Wednesday so that you guys have something to look forward to. So for the first thing I want to ask before I lose some of you guys, I want you guys to comment below some of the skin issues that you guys have. If you guys are uncomfortable talking about your skin issues, you can feel free to DM me on Instagram personally. I will link my Instagram. So if you guys have any specific questions about your skincare, if you guys have a specific concern that you guys want me to address in a later video, I will absolutely take that down and create an entire video based on that for you. Because as much as I'm thinking about this and as much as I've been preparing for this, I may still miss things, and I want to know what you guys actually want to hear about. I want to disclose, first of all, that I am in no way a professional teacher. I am not a licensed teacher. I am a licensed esthetician, and I'm going to be teaching you my tips, my tricks, my secrets, and some of the education that I learned while I was in school. So something else I want to talk to you guys about is where I'm going to go with this series. For the first video, I could do what to do if you have extremely oily skin, the makeup products you should use, the skincare products you should use, what's the top of the line right now for that skin type and for your skin concerns. Same with acne, dry skin, fine lines, deep set lines. I can go on and on and on about all these different things that I'm going to touch on throughout the series. My idea for this series is basically going to be that anyone that has any type of concern for their skin can go and they can look through this entire series. It'll say fine lines, deep set wrinkles, mature skin, oily skin, acne prone skin, and you guys will be able to scroll through the list of the videos that I have, and you'll be able to click on the video that you want to see. Because I know not everyone is mature, not everyone has deep set wrinkles, not everyone has oily skin, not everyone has acne prone skin. So I want to create a specific video so that all the people that need that specific concern addressed can go and they can click on just that video. Or you guys can watch through, and if you guys are trying to become an esthetician or you're a makeup artist and you want to know what primers to use, how you should be using them, all this kind of stuff, you guys can click through and learn so much through these videos that I'm going to be teaching you. So one of the reasons why I'm even on YouTube is because when I was in school as an esthetician, I got told by my teachers and my friends that they would love to see me become a teacher. I can't afford to go to teaching school right now. I would love to do that in the future, but this is my outlet for you guys now. Turn on your phone, turn on your laptop, turn on your TV, and you guys can listen about my education and what I've learned in the process of the 10 years that I've had in the beauty industry. And this is what this series is all about for me. I want to make something that is affordable, that every woman and man alike can click on and learn about. So something to know about me is that I've been in the beauty industry my entire life. I grew up running around a salon in Glenview, Illinois with my aunts. I have 2 aunts that do hair and have taught me so much about this industry. And I've been exposed to it at a very young age, and I feel like this was the only career path I feel was right for me. And that's why I went to school to become an esthetician. So I started out in the beauty industry when I was 14 years old. I was working at my aunt's salon. I was a shampoo girl and a receptionist. It was an amazingly fun job. I worked with the greatest ladies, and I learned a lot. I learned a lot about customer service from a very young age. So once I got into the actual workforce, not working for family, it was much easier, I feel like. My 2 aunts are hairstylists, and my mom is not, but she taught me a lot about what to do with my makeup, and because of this is why I'm even doing this, and my mom actually has pointed out something really fun to me. My mom's father is a hairdresser, and my mother is an artist, and then I am a makeup artist. So there's 3 generations of us using our hands for our profession, and I just think that that's something that's really beautiful that she noticed, and it's just something that makes me really happy to like kind of carry along a family tradition that, you know, he was a hairstylist, which is an artist in and of itself. She actually paints, she sculpts, she does all that kind of stuff, and now I'm working on people's faces and on people's skin. So it's just a really cool chain of events that's kind of happened through my life. So something I want to tell you guys is that some of you guys may not know this, but your skin is the biggest organ in your body. Some people think it's your heart, some people think it's your lungs. It's actually your skin. Your skin covers your entire body. This is the only skin you get. Yes, you can do treatments to help it. Yes, you can do certain things to reverse fine lines or hyperpigmentation, which is like dark spots. But ultimately, if you start taking care of your skin, it will greatly benefit you. I want to teach you guys all these tips and tricks that I've learned along the way and make it easier for you guys to actually take care of your skin. That is what I want. That is my goal as an esthetician. I know that it's not easy. I know that it's so expensive, but trust me when I say this, it is worth it. It is 100% worth it to be putting in the money on your skincare. If you are going to spend money on anything, I would rather, if I had the choice, I would throw away all my makeup and buy all skincare if I had to. You can get away with using drugstore makeups for a lot of steps in your makeup routine, but for skincare, and I will talk about this at a later date in depth, you cannot use drugstore brand skincare if you want to start seeing real results with your skin and you want to get the best results you can possibly get. You cannot buy cheap, crappy skincare from Walmart or Walgreens. I'm sorry, that is the God's honest truth. So to quickly wrap up this video, I know that this was not a video showing you guys a look. This was just basically a video stating where this series that I'm starting right now is going to go and some of the ideas that I'm going to have for this series. I am going to be putting out videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday per my new uploading schedule. I know it's going to be a lot. It's going to be a lot of work, but I really want to grow my channel. I would love to get monetized this year. So to get monetized, I have to have 1,000 subscribers and have 4,000 watched hours at least. Please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and go ahead and go down and subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell so you guys get notified every time I post. As I asked you earlier in the video, I would love for you guys to comment down below any skin concerns that you guys have or any makeup questions that you guys may have that you want me to address throughout this series. And thank you for watching today's video. I will see you next time. Bye.